Hello, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to the brand new episode. If you are new here, I am Preethi and I am genuinely passionate about teaching AI to everyday professionals like you. I spend hours and hours researching, testing, and breaking down these tools so you don't have to. My whole idea is simple. Since I am already putting in the time, why not make these concepts so easy that you can start using them in minutes? So, if this sounds great, make sure you hit the subscribe and let's jump in right into our today's video. Before going ahead, I just want to pose a single question to you guys. How much time did you spend on emails today? If you're working in a professional environment like me, the answer is way too much. So, as per the McKinsey study, an average professional spends around 28% of their day just on email. That's over 11 hours every week lost to writing, rewriting, and stressing over messages you could draft in seconds. So, and also a professional sends around 40 emails per day, that is 11 plus hours, and around 50,000 worth dollars of productivity that is being lost per employee per year. So, if you see the various activities in the emailing, the major one is your writing and rewriting, and the second one is the choosing the right tone. Yes, this is most important. Like if you want to keep it authoritative, if you want to keep it pleasing, if you want to keep it like a warm tone, if on a welcoming tone, if you want to keep a harsh tone, or if you want to have an escalation tone. So these are the things that takes really a lot of time for us to decide. Also, there is a kind of proofreading that we do multiple times. You check in the internet or the Google, or you send to colleague whether it's correct or not, especially for the leadership ones, right? So all this takes more than 11 hours per week. That's almost 1.5 working days, right? So you would have seen a lot of AI assistants, like general purpose AI assistants like ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude, right? So without these, as you know, that every day we are spending around 35 minutes per email, but with ChatGPT, you don't believe like an email will be drafted less than 60 seconds, right? So I mean, that's how the power of this entire new generation AI tools are. So, in order to harness this, we need to know how to use them, and this video is exactly for the same reason. Also, AI, as per the studies, AI gives you back 500 plus hours every year on the email alone. That's around 12 weeks of full handed over to you. Imagine what would you do with an extra 3 months of free time every year. So in order to solve this problem, we will be seeing about the few cases wherein we can spend less than a minute or 2 minutes of time in order to draft our emails in a way that is tone appropriate also, instead of you spending hours and hours on this. So let's dive into the tool which is ChatGPT that you are using today. Okay, diving deep into the ChatGPT tool now. So just open chatgpt.com and then you will be landing in this kind of a page. Just click login and then you can even create an ID, or I'm just going ahead with my Gmail ID. So yeah, it is logged in now. Yes. Yeah, it is logged in. So now I want to show you some examples of where the ChatGPT can be used for a clean, email maker. So first one is a kind of a diplomatic rejection that I'm posing it. So I'm just writing it. You are a professional communication expert. Write a polite but firm rejection email. This is for one of the vendors who has pitched their analytical platform for a demo, and then we are actually not wanting to go ahead with them because we are already logged into some competitor. And the email should actually write these 3 points: acknowledge her efforts genuinely, give a clear no, leave the room for future conversations, and also this is under 151. See, even if you don't have the prompt ready, you can put your rough statements like, okay, I want to draft an email, 1 2 3 pointers I need to know, and this should be a rejection email, and you need to maintain a polite tone or you need to maintain an aggressive tone, whatever, you just write whatever you want in this and then just click yes. So now the system has presented the email beautifully. You just don't have to even spend a second onto this. You just have to tell. Even actually you can kind of use your voice command here. If you see, like, I'm just using it. Hello, I want to write an email in order to provide a feedback to one of my colleagues. Actually, he is reporting to me. So he is okay, but he needs to improve on the stakeholder management, and he has to put in extra hours of training in learning Power BI. So apart from this, everything is okay, and he should be rated 3.5 on scale of 5. So write a email that needs to be sent to the management on his performance. This email should be around 200 words and the tonality should be authoritative. So you just put it, and then so I have just put some rough words, the reference pointers, and then boom, like you will be presented with an email, an exact email that you can be sending to our leadership, right? So for example, see, I am asking for a performance review. Look, I am writing to provide assessment of my team members for this current cycle. It has even discovered it is for the present cycle. I have not mentioned about it, right? So overall, he has consistently delivered on the assigned responsibilities and demonstrated reliability. See, all these words, if you want to stitch one on one, it would take a bit of time, right? Okay, for the people who are English native, I think that is more easy. But for the general average person who does a bit of research before emailing, for them, this is a miracle and a lot of time saver. Like, you can just create some tens of emails just on the same context to 10 different people. So if I want to send this review to the person whom I am reviewing also, you can just change them. So now I want to address this to my employee, and then the improvements you need to do on these aspects, and then the ChatGPT would give you this. So this is too good, right? So I have also said, second, he must invest additional time in developing Power BI capabilities, giving the increasing reliance. I didn't even say that he needs to have the data driven insights. So if I said the Power BI, it just took out these insights, like within data driven insights within our function, the dashboarding, automation, and advanced selling. So now I'll just tell now rewrite the same email to be communicated to the person whom I am reviewing. Make it more like, this is satisfactory email but needs to improve. So the same thing you can just put it here. This the rough English, right? It's not even the properly structured English. So performance feedback, this is what I'm sending to the employee now. So I would like to share your feedback performance. So this is your rating. So to progress further, there are two key areas you need to focus: stakeholder management and also proactive in communication, and also Power BI skills. I expect to see measurable improvement in this in the upcoming cycle. So these are the kind of things that you can easily make through ChatGPT, right? Like, you don't have to go here and there, search 10 references and then see what would be the tone of it. You don't need to bog down your head on this. So this is the most important use case that everyone in the world is using for. Please use any AI assisted chats. Not only this, chatbots, anything, like you can use ChatGPT, you can use Claude Code, you can use Perplexity, you can use Grok, anything. But I request you not to waste time, even second, thinking about, like, I need to draft an email myself, so maybe it should be personalized, so I want to do it myself. please put entire your context into the chatbot or the AI assistant that you are using, any general purpose or any specialist. There are also specialists for emailing. Okay, that is a second story that we would be seeing in the later on videos. But yeah, so as of now, I think as per me, you need to dump all your thoughts, even through written or writing anything. You can use voice mode in case you're not able to type or you don't have the the time to chat, time to write a text or something. You use a chat mode, put all your rough pointers here, and the system will beautifully give the email, a structured email, along with insights that it can take from your email, and then it can present in you in a very polished emails to your manager. So this is a win-win situation. Please get on to using the AI assisted chatbots. This will really save your time and it will enhance your productivity, and using this you can really invest your time in some other things which will really make you which will enhance your skills and which will make you ahead of others. So thank you for watching this. Till next video, signing off. Bye bye.